We are pleased to show you the 2016 ILX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find leather trim seats, heated seats, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Your new ride is just a phone call away.